what a job site's supposed to look like right here.
Looks good.
This looks like we're about ready to work on something.
Yeah.
Backwards.
Fucking Bill, he had the kids help me put this together, he didn't get the tool cart put together. I was like, on the handle, here we go.
Okay, what do you see wrong here? This was put together. On here. What do you think? We need a diagram on the part. So just let them see it. They know. I won't even say what it is. Just
No, I just said, yeah, I said, this ain't pulled around like shit. Yeah, I wonder why. Fucking shit.
I need these plugs. These plugs for the transmission lines. So we can take these right. What a drag. Is it this? It is that.
Yes, it is.
It absolutely is that. Okay, so when you put an injector cup in, you have to put, well, I don't know if you have to, but we got this little cup I dropped down in there. We got to see if we can't wiggle it around and get it down in there. That way when you cut threads, it doesn't knock stuff in there. You guys want to stay right here and watch as I struggle with this and get this little freaking thing in there? Why don't you just hang out? How long can you stand it before you say, oh, got it?
Got it? Good job. Little pliers.
That little guy right there was a pain in the butt to get in, but we got it in. The little cap in the bottom. Now we got to cut threads. And there we go. Okay. Okay, we're all good. We did it. All right, guys. So that is the end of this day right here. We got the cups in, the one cup, the single cup we got to put in, and oh, that's a funky looking picture. Okay, so we use that aftermarket kit, and I mean, it looked pretty good. It went in all right. I don't know what that compound was. It looked like they might have had it looked like JB Weld. Honestly, that's what it looks like. So we got it all done. And now we got the parts all clean in this job. And tomorrow we're gonna put it back together. But right now we're just gonna stop to that sealant that's in the cylinder head there, the sealing compound, what they called it. We're gonna give it some time. We're not gonna work it anymore. Let it sit there, let it do whatever it's gonna do, and we'll keep you in the loop if that thing does wind up taking a crap and still leaking fuel. Let's hope not, because that'll be a drag. But it won't. I mean, normally we change cylinder heads. We always replace cylinder heads. But now, why not try this? This is Don's truck. This is one that's on the farm. This is a farm truck. So why not try it? Drop $120 on a hope and a prayer. Maybe it will work. I'm kind of scared to test it though, because I mean, we go throwing pressure at it and it's not seated yet. I'd hate to do that. Oh, I forgot to look and see if I got the cup on top. I need to look in there and make sure I got the hole lined up for the fuel. That'll be a drag if I didn't. Oh, I'm sure I did. All right. Have a good day, guys.